everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. Today's video is going to be my curly hair routine, but with a twist because I'm not going to be using any stylers in this video, just shampoo and conditioner. I am really excited to see the results because who doesn't want a simple routine, just shampoo and conditioner and you're good to go. Since the time I started styling my hair curly, I've always done the whole shebang: shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, gel, this, that. I just want to see just by using shampoo and conditioner how my hair will turn out. And I also asked you guys on Instagram because I was a little confused what to do. And thank you so much for the help, it really means a lot. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do because I do ask a lot of questions to you folks when I'm filming videos like this. And yeah, I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's get started with the video.
Hey, no, no, hey, no.
First, obviously we need to prep our hair. My hair is feeling super dry and we are not going to be using any stylers. So for Prepoo, I'm using Nourishing Hair Mask by Vilva, and this is enriched with moringa and argan oil. The consistency is a little thicker than oil and I am going to massage it in my roots and lengths of my hair. Now this hair mask has bunch of amazing oils like moringa oil, argan oil, mango seed butter, shea butter, jojoba oil, kalonji oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, natural vitamin E oil, beeswax, rosemary leaf oil, cedarwood oil, peppermint oil and lavender oil. And because of the essential oils like peppermint and lavender, it has a strong scent. I like the scent so it doesn't bother me. Now let the hair mask sit for at least 1 hour before rinsing it out. You can also leave it overnight. I do that all the time. Now let's wash the hair. Drench your hair completely with water. For shampoo, I'm using Vilva Goat Milk Shampoo and this has pea protein and jasmine hydrosol. I'm going to take 2 to 3 pumps and massage it in nicely. This shampoo has a pH of 6, which is very similar to the natural pH level of our skin. So it protects and does not disturb the natural barrier of our skin. It is a very moisturizing shampoo with mild cleansers in it. So people who love to co-wash will definitely enjoy this shampoo. Next, I'm using a shampoo brush for a deeper cleanse. I have mentioned in almost all of my videos the benefits of using it and how much I love it. It is a must for me. All Vilva products contain no harsh chemicals, no synthetic fragrance, no mineral oils, no phthalates, no silicones, no parabens, no sulfates, no DEA or NEA, no PEGs and no animal testing, which is amazing. Rinse off the shampoo properly. Moving on to the conditioner now. For that I'm using Vilva Cream Conditioner and this has tucuma butter and broccoli oil. I'm gonna take 2 to 3 pumps and massage it in nicely. You can add more if you need it. The brand says that the ingredients in the formula provides amazing slip and I agree to that 100%. This is exactly what I need when I say I like conditioners with good slip. I have not detangled my hair when I applied the hair mask because I wanted to show you how well this conditioner works. Apply the conditioner and add a little bit of water that just enhances the slip and then detangle the hair. My hair feels like seaweed. It's that soft and slippery, makes it so easy to detangle. Once detangled, I'm going to let the conditioner sit for 15 minutes to work its magic and then rinse it off. I asked you folks on Instagram whether I should wash the conditioner off completely or leave 50% in as swish to condish method, and 54% of you folks voted to wash it off completely. So that's what I'm gonna do. Once all the conditioner is rinsed off, I'm going to pump the excess water out and move on to styling my hair. And as the title suggests, we are not going to be using any stylers, but I asked you on Instagram should I use a Denman brush or normal detangling brush on my hair, and 71% of you voted normal detangling brush. And the next story was how to style it, and 54% of you voted to comb it once. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Using the same detangling comb, I'm going to brush my hair upside down for volume and brush everything straight only once. Next, I'm going to shake my roots again for volume, but you can skip this step if you like big clumped curls, and then scrunch the curls for a good 10 minutes. After that, using a t-shirt, scrunch away excess water and then put it in a turban. And that's it. That's all we're gonna do for styling. This was definitely the quickest hair wash routine I ever did. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to remove the turban, And 86% of you folks voted to air dry my hair, so the weight game begins, I guess. An important tip, please do not touch your hair in the drying process. It will dry frizzy, so avoid touching as much as possible.
Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go.
This is how my hair has dried, and to be honest, not bad at all. I expected it to be much worse, but this is pretty good considering I have not used any styler and I have washed off the conditioner. Basically, I have no products at all in my hair, and look at the results. I'm very happy, but I genuinely feel like the results are much different when I use a Denman brush and my stylus. My curls are way more defined and I have the control over it. Now if I see, my curls are much more relaxed, S-shaped. They're not that coily. So this is how my hair is naturally. But Denman brush definitely enhances my curls, I would give that. My hair took 1 hour to dry completely, which is amazing because normally 2 से 3 घंटे लग जाते हैं. I think because I don't have any products in them, it took less time. I think half an hour में it was almost like 60 to 70% dry, and 1 hour में it was completely dry. Only इधर थोड़ा गीला था, but that works. It was almost fully dry, which is amazing. And also one thing, I feel like यहाँ पर थोड़े frizz है, as you can see over here in the back area, a little bit here near the front. I do have a little bit of frizz, especially over here in the front as well. As you can see, ये थोड़े straight हो गए हैं almost. Without stylers, I feel मैं जितना touch कर रही हूँ, frizz उतना बढ़ रहे हैं, and I don't know how long it will last me. I'll definitely update you guys on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I'll definitely update you guys. Second, third day, कैसा last करता है. This is obviously first day, so. But to be honest, first day pretty good. I'm really happy with the results, and it is a little dry. Considering that I have colored my hair, I think that was bound to happen if you have natural hair. It might not feel that dry, but it is a little drying. अगर stylus लगाया होता, it would have been much more moisturized. My curls would have been much more moisturized. But overall, I think if you're going out on a picnic or a vacation, just carrying your shampoo and conditioner is a blessing. I don't have to carry all the stylers and a Denman brush and this and that. I think this results would work for me, and I would definitely go for it. If you ask me, Shruti, are you gonna stop using stylers now? I don't think so. I love the results that I get after using the stylers and the Denman brush. That's like my routine. I genuinely enjoy the results that I get. I have all control over it. This is great if I am going out and I don't want to carry stuff along with me, or if I just want to have a lazy routine. This is pretty good. I am happy with it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now my final verdict about these products are, I really like them. The first one being shampoo. If you have dry, frizzy, unruly curls and you need a moisturizing shampoo, this is amazing. This is really moisturizing and I really like it. The second one, the cream conditioner. This has definitely become one of my favorite conditioners. As I mentioned, the slip is amazing, exactly what a curly girl needs. My tangles are so easy to detangle after using this conditioner. This is what I gravitate towards recently. So yeah, definitely one of my favorite ones. And the hair mask is really good as well. In तीनों में से the conditioner is definitely one of my favorites, and yeah, I really like all of them, but conditioner बहुत सही है. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below which results do you like, one with the stylers or one without. And I'll leave the links in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. And the comment shout out goes to Tanya Talvi. Tanya, thank you for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.